Hi students, I candidly welcome you all to this new channel Bloomers Academy. To introduce myself, I am a PGT in biology working in a well-reputed institution, and this channel is explicitly created to help you all, to motivate you all in this pandemic situation. In grade 12 students, you will be working hard for your board exams and to take up your competitive exams, and grade 10 students, of course, you will be very busy selecting your groups. So this is going to be an introduction session about the courses you could do after your 12th and top colleges. Henceforth, in all my videos, I'll be uploading videos that will be covering both NCERT and biology based competitive exams. So your platform to clear your doubts and to build in your confidence is going to be this Bloomers Academy. Come, let us all go ahead with the first session. Welcome you all students. So you all will have a question popping on your head. What group can I select and what can I do after my 12th standard? So here I have few answers for you children. So let us get into the session. So I have a question here for you all. Why to choose biology group in 11th standard and what are all the career options that I can get after my 12th? And then the first and most important thing which you all take up after your 12th standard is your NEET exam, right? So if you clear your NEET exam, of course you can do your MBBS, you can do your BDS, you can do your BHMS, and also you can do your BUMS, and one more degree you could pursue, it's BAMS. Not only NEET exam gives you there are other degrees also are there where you can flourish well. So before getting into that, I wanted to tell you few important MBBS colleges in India. Say the first one, it's AIMS. As you all know, it's well located in New Delhi, and CMC Vellore. So likewise, if you go through this slide, you will get a clear idea of different colleges. And then one more slide I have to add on to the colleges present in India, right? You have ACPM Medical College, Armed Forces Medical College in Pune, and Padma Shri Dr. V.V. Patel Foundation's Medical College in Maharashtra, Rajiv Gandhi Medical College in Maharashtra, Grant Medical College in Maharashtra, and Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Wardha. And one more slide I could add on to the colleges. Government Medical College in Kerala, it's in Kozhikode. Kollam you have, Kottayam is there, Malappuram is there, and Palakkad, Trichur also is there. And Thiruvananthapuram college is there. And adding to one more slide, few colleges are there. AIMS colleges are there in Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Bhopal, Rishikesh, and Kasturba Medical College in Manipal, and Government Medical College and Hospital. So again, few more medical colleges are there which keep, and I listed out a list of medical colleges available in India, and those who are not interested to take up your NEET exams, you can do some sort of paramedical courses, right? So first degree which I am going to tell you is B.Pharm, which is having a duration of around 4 years, and M.Pharm you can pursue after completing your B.Pharm, which is going to be for 2 years. And Pharm D is one more paramedical course which covers a duration of about 6 years, and it is a combination of B.Pharm, M.Pharm and MBBS. So it is comparatively more competitive than B.Pharm. And next, those who are still wanted to do your degrees, there are certain well flourishing out degrees listed out. First is biochemistry. You can do your BSc biology, BSc physics, chemistry you could do, environmental science you could do. Whomever is interested in take up BSc nursing, occupational therapy, physiotherapy, radiology, bioinformatics, microbiology, zoology is there, BSc Forensic Science you have, BSc Agriculture you could do, BSc Pathology, BSc Speech Therapy is there, BFSC that is Fishery, BSc Horticulture, BSc Genetics, BSc Health Science and Nutrition, BSc Sports Science, BSc Audiology, botany, and those are where all the courses that you could do in your UG degree. And speaking about this physiotherapy bachelor's degree, I have listed down a few important colleges in Kerala and India, Tamil Nadu. They are Kerala University of Health Sciences, Tiruchur, Kerala, Institute of Paramedical Sciences, Kerala, Medical Trust Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi, and Cooperative Institute of Health Science, Kannur, Government Institute of Rehabilitation Medicine, Chennai, Government College of Physiotherapy. And speaking about the Bachelor of Occupational Therapy, this is again going to be a duration of 4.5 years long. And in this occupational therapy, you will be dealing with patients having physical, mental, emotional, and neurological limitations. So, whichever group you wanted, right? Choose the group wisely. It's your turn now, children. So, act on it. Thank you for watching, children. Kindly do the subscription and click on the bell icon to get the notification. I hope you all will be eagerly waiting to go ahead with the next session. So the next session information you could have when you move on to the next slide. All the best. So the next slide is regarding the startup of the next session, where I'm going to start with the grade 12 chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance, right? So the video will be uploaded very shortly. I hope you all will watch the video without fail. Thank you, children.